Phoenix MD proposes unique features compared to competitors. It is a crown-on-bridge resin who can be used either indirectly in an impression like all the others on the market, or directly in mouth to build in 2 minutes a temporary crown easily without any stress. And we will show you how to do it. It is very simple, and I think you will really be delighted by this. We suppose that here we have an abutment tooth. You just keep it slightly wet with saliva, no need to put any Vaseline or something around. On the mixing tips, you add an intraoral tip, like for impression process, and you just inject from the sulcus around the tooth. It is very, very easy. You had a bit of product on the top. This product does not flow at all, and I can show you that. So it can be injected on the maxillar or the mandibular teeth. You ask the patient to bite on it, and after about 40 seconds, because here we are not surrounded by silicone, so the setting time, instead of being 2.30 minutes, will be around 40 seconds. So as soon as a product doesn't stick to the spatula, you ask the patient to open. You take it with your fingers, you take it out and put it back a few times, otherwise it can block against adjacent teeth. You leave it on the tooth when it's completely hard. You take a diamond burr, coarse grain, with water. You trim the vestibular face and the palatine face, having the other teeth on the side as a model, so it is very, very fast. Then you just take it out of the mouth, polish it, and you can then put it back in the mouth with a temporary cement. That operation will take you about 2 minutes maximum and really save your time when you have to do such a process. So this product is really different to competitors, and I really think you will be able to do that very, very fast. Because otherwise, I guess that when you have to do a temporary crown directly on the mouth, even if you use this kind of product, you still have in your drawers powder and liquid to make a temporary crown directly on the tooth, but that will take about 10 minutes and it's a mess. Thank you for your attention. Another feature of the product is that when the product is hard, maybe sometimes you could have a hair bubble and has to be replaced or filled with a product. In that case, none of the competitor we know can be added on the already cured product. You need to put an adhesive and sometimes a composite instead of the product itself. With our product, you don't need to do all these things. You just add a bit of the product on itself. You wait for the products to get hard, and then you will discover that the product chemically stick to itself, and you will be not able to separate the two parts of the products. Thank you.